The United States stock market stands as a remarkable testament to the duality of simplicity and complexity that defines modern finance. At first glance, the concept of buying and selling shares in companies seems straightforward, almost deceptively so. However, beneath this veneer of simplicity lies a labyrinthine network of intricacies that challenge even the most seasoned financial minds. The U.S. stock market's intricate dance between simplicity and complexity is a reflection of the global economic landscape it mirrors. The simplicity, a world of opportunities at your fingertips. At its core, the U.S. stock market is remarkably simple to comprehend. It's a marketplace where individuals and institutions can invest in shares of publicly traded companies. The allure is undeniable. Anyone with a brokerage account can become a shareholder, a partial owner, in some of the world's most renowned corporations. The process involves buying shares at a certain price, hoping they'll appreciate in value over time. When the value of those shares increases, investors can sell them for a profit. This accessibility and democratic nature of the stock market are what lends it its simplicity. Anyone can participate, whether they're a seasoned investor or a newcomer to finance. This ease of entry has democratized wealth building and investment opportunities, making it a cornerstone of personal finance strategies and retirement planning for millions. The complexity, a tapestry of factors and dynamics. However, beneath this accessibility lies a multifaceted tapestry of complexities. The interplay of factors that influence stock prices and the overall market is nothing short of staggering. Macro and microeconomic indicators, company financials, geopolitical events, technological advancements, and even social trends all have the power to sway the market in unpredictable ways. Market sentiment, the collective psychology of investors, adds yet another layer of complexity. The stock market isn't just a reflection of a company's performance on paper. It's a reflection of human behavior, mass psychology, and sometimes irrational exuberance or fear. Moreover, the stock market is not a monolithic entity but a network of interconnected exchanges, such as the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and the Nasdaq. Each of these exchanges operates under its own rules and dynamics, contributing to the broader complexity of the market. The role of technology, streamlining and complicating. Technology has both simplified and intensified the stock market's complexity. On one hand, it has made trading more accessible and efficient. Online trading platforms, real-time data feeds, and algorithmic trading have lowered barriers to entry and sped up transactions. On the other hand, high-frequency trading and complex financial instruments have introduced a new layer of intricacy, sometimes contributing to market volatility. Regulations and oversight, navigating the rules of the game. Regulations and oversight mechanisms are designed to maintain market integrity and protect investors. While these rules add a layer of security, they also contribute to the market's complexity. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, regulations, for instance, dictate how companies report their financials, preventing fraud and ensuring transparency. However, interpreting and adhering to these regulations requires a deep understanding of legal and financial intricacies. The global dimension, interconnectedness of markets. The simplicity and complexity of the U.S. stock market are further amplified by its global reach. In today's interconnected world, events in one corner of the globe can have ripple effects on markets thousands of miles away. Global trade, political developments, and economic trends intertwine to create a web of influence that shapes the market's trajectory. Embracing the duality, navigating the waters. To navigate the U.S. stock market's duality of simplicity and complexity, investors must strike a delicate balance. On one hand, a solid understanding of the basics, how stocks work, diversification, and risk management, is crucial. On the other hand, recognizing that no single individual can master all the intricacies is equally important. This is where financial advisors, market analysts, and research tools play a pivotal role. Embracing this duality means acknowledging that while the stock market offers opportunities for wealth creation, it also demands humility and ongoing learning. It's a place where simplicity meets complexity in an eternal dance, a reflection of the intricate world it mirrors. In conclusion, the U.S. stock market encapsulates the yin and yang of simplicity and complexity. Its straightforward premise, investing in companies, belies the intricate dance of factors, psychology, and dynamics that drive its every move. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious novice, understanding and respecting this duality is essential for navigating the captivating world of finance.